Wednesday, July 2, 2025, pumanaw na nga sa edad na 78 ang batikang kolumnista na si Lolit Solis. Ito ay kinumpirma ng kanyang anak na si Sneezy sa GMA News Online, Biyernes ng umaga, na nakaranas nga daw ng heart attack si Manay Lolit Solis. Kaya naman marami talagang nagulat dahil ayon pa sa kwento ni Junlalin ay dinalaw pa niya ito ng Martes at masayang-masaya pa raw ito. Isa nga sa nagluluksa ngayon ay walang iba kundi si Pauline Luna Soto, na kung saan ay nagkaroon nga ito ng madamdamin at nakakaiyak na mensahe para kay Lolit Solis. Narito ang mensahe ni Pauline Luna sa nasabi nga pong namayapang kolumnista. My dear Nanay, I wish the world saw you, how you alagas, saw you a mother, a protector, a fighter, and someone who's very loyal. Hindi ka man magaling sa iyong mga salita, ang puso mo naman ay nagsusumbog sa pagmamahal o nagsusumabog sa pagmamahal. Hindi ito halata, it took me a while to see it, to feel it, to understand it, kakaiba ka talaga. Every year, Nanay Lolit had a list of the gifts she wanted for her birthday and Christmas. That list hardly changed and it made me wonder what she did to all those things she asked for. Sa akin, she would ask for lechon for both occasions and napapaisip talaga ako kung paano niya uubusin yung lechon mag-isa. Yun pala, every time her birthday and Christmas came, she would open her doors to people to come and eat and feast and celebrate life with her. Lahat ng mga TV gadgets, appliances that she would ask for from her alagas, she would donate it to people who needed it. In short, lahat ng hinaharbat niya ay hindi para sa kanya. Hindi lang halata, but she had a very big heart. Nana, you opened so many doors for me. You helped an artist so young to reach her dream. Sa konting kikitain, I would always joke na hindi naman talaga joke na barya lang ang kinikita niya sa akin compared to her other alagas na big artists. But what I love most about her is the way she appreciated me as a wife and as a mother. She never failed to make me feel like I was doing a good job. She was always happy for my family life and she always celebrated that. She loved my husband, my children even more afar and would always tell me so I won't forget. She was so proud of me when I became a wife and a mother. The best years of my life, and for that I am truly, truly grateful. You are family, Nanay. 20 years with you is not enough. It breaks my heart that you have left us, but I find comfort in the fact that you are now happy and peace and pain-free. Till we meet again, Nanay, mahal na mahal din kita. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.